Welcome to our monthly Masters of Maths. This month we're going to look at the work of Maryna Viazovska. Now Maryna is a Ukrainian professor at the École Polytechnique Fédérale in Lausanne, Switzerland. She is the second woman ever to win the prestigious Fields Medal, one of the most highly coveted awards in mathematics. Now Maryna solved the sphere packing problem which mathematicians have puzzled over for years. The problem is also known as the orange stacking problem. Put simply, it relates to how to pack spheres, or oranges, in the densest possible way. When you pack round things, such as oranges, into a box, there will always be gaps between them. And this raises a geometric question. How should you arrange spheres in a box to make sure you fit in as many as possible? What's the biggest proportion of space you can fill with spheres? Now Maryna solved the sphere packing problem in 8 and 24 dimensions. So we're going to look at some oranges and stacking them. So here you can see a pile of oranges and we want you to answer these questions. How many oranges are here? How many oranges are there in each layer? Could you stack the same amount of oranges but in a different way? Now, if a shopkeeper builds a similar pile of oranges but with one extra layer, how many oranges would that have? And the final question is, what size of pile could you build with a box of 200 oranges? Well, I shall leave that problem with you, and I hope you come back to hear more monthly Masters of Maths next month.